Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the button or by tapping on the screen. After the screen wakes up, press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called sounds and vibration. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the volume category. And we have different types of volume. We have ring and notification, call volume, and media volume. Also the alarm volume. And to adjust them, you can tap on the plus and minus buttons. And once you're done adjusting your volumes, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.